Mokhim inghi sport committee pen Karlitang rong pamteron football tournament angdung kiti kapatupon. Pini prenipa ingkoi arni ni jang karbianong menmiji. Mokhim inghi sport committee ahin pen cepate biponsi. Pini Karlitang rong pamteron memorial football tournament angdung kiti kapatupon. Bangso angdung kiti kapatupon along kacepate pon laki menarong karbidi sonimso club lapen kruarong kangthir football club atum ketek ser sarajok la bangso football angdung kiti angdingan cepale dunrintilo. Labangso cepati pon bomahut half time te aprang KRNC aphan goal isi pipono lapen dead minutes ke bapit KRNC atum KFC atum aphan goal thom pipon to deadlo lapen second half bahut KRNC atum goal isi thapon to deadlo lapen minute crep hua hut KFC atum ta goal isi thapon thulo lapen de dapi aporating pen referee pajut pon ko gajok menarong KRNC atum ke thek mujoda jok chipa he pon deadlo bangso football angdong kiti kapathu ponalo ang thek lake KRNC 4 goal KFC 2 goal hendo lapen bangso kapathu ponalo best player khonsing rong PC chipalong pono lapen pini labangso Karlitang rong pam teron memorial football tournament angdung kiti along alhuyaman pengpen kachitong not lake Ditalal Hasno veterinary board chairman Karbianong autonomous council lapen chopapangjang alhui sarpo longki rohang menmiji sport association maipu Sonjoy Timong assistant secretary menmiji sport association Miji Kro Abarim President MKPA Lapen Labangso Mokhiming Sport Committee Kachipate Piporatum Ki Horen Teron Borson Kramsa Dhiniram Kramsa Atum Henlo Lapen Ladak Mokhim Rong Kimi Arong Asar Kangbura Inghiatum Pen Nangchitong Nunsi Labangso Football Tournament Angdung Kiti Ing Samjin Pen Pajut Pono Jeng Kapet Tesong Timung Karabi Daily News